most of the time and every time, like we use sample to estimate, because the objective is to get an estimate on what's going on in a population. But we cannot do a census to get exactly the actual distribution of the population. So most of the time, we use samples. And most of the time, the samples are very small compared to the actual population size. So how confident can we be to claim that from estimation we get from a sample, this is what we have at the population level? So for example, let's say we are interested in estimating the poverty level. So does the overall poverty in a country is exactly what we get from estimation from a sample? This is the kind of question like we want to provide some response here. Or let's say we want to compare poverty in two regions, and what things that what we do is just, let's say we are interested in the M0 between India and Bangladesh. So we compute the difference, but we cannot say like with full confidence that if we find that the poverty is greater in India, that this is what it is, because maybe this difference that we get is not statistically significant compared to the general level of poverty. So to be really like confident to say that, we need to do some statistical tests and analysis to say, okay, the difference that I'm getting in my regional comparison is is sufficiently large so I can say that poverty is higher in this region compared to the other one. And it could be in the analysis of changes over time. So if you compare poverty from an initial date to the final date, and we see that in the final date we have some reduction, to what extent this reduction is really statistically significant? We need to have all these statistical analysis to say, like to go and sit with our president or minister to claim with all the confidence that this is what the situation is. So basically, as I said, is how to draw conclusion from a sample to infer to the population level.